Hello? Who who are you? Is this Ngok? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Ngok. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Ngok, are you there?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, good evening, Ngok, and welcome again to our class. For today, how are you today, Ngok? Are you good? Are you sure?
Yes,
Wow, that's very good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
yes,
Yes, okay, perfect. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson?
yes.
Yes, okay. So now, let us proceed and start our lesson for today. So we are still in our Unit 6, Lesson 1. So we talk about body parts that we have, especially
Uh,
as people. So now we are here in our or in the third part of our lesson, which is structure. So we will learn about a sentence structure in this one. So we already had learned this last time, but let's again review it. Okay? So now let's read again. How many head have you got?
um, and I have got one head.
Okay, next. How many?
How many eyes has the monster got?
The
The
monster.
has got three eyes.
Okay, very good. So again, let's review. So we have here our first structure. So we use this question to ask. So this one, we use this question, how many head have you got? To ask about the number of body parts someone or something has. So actually both of this question, we ask this question about for us to know how many number of body parts someone or something has. Okay, so we use have got with subjects I, you, we, and they. So for example, when we are talking about yourself or about many people, so we use have got. And
Got
yes, however, so we use has got if we are talking about he, so we use
he,
it he, she, it, a monster, or an
he.
animal. Yes, so we use has got when talking about one person, animal, or thing. Like for example, you. How many how many eyes has Ngok got?
How many eyes has I have uh I have got two eggs.
Okay, very good. So if our question is have got, so we will answer it with I have got. But if our answer is has got, so we will answer it with he, she, it, a monster.
He
Okay?
got
Okay, so now let's practice this sentence pattern. So we have here this one. What is this, Ngok? What color is the monster? What color is the monster? Oh no, your microphone is off.
the monster.
The
The
monster is
color monster is green.
very good. The monster is color green. So now, can you tell teacher how many eyes has the green monster got? How many eyes has the green monster got?
Uh, the uh,
The
is the
oh,
monster
the green
has a got
has got.
a got two eyes.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer has got. The monster or the green monster has got two eyes. Next, how many mouths? How many mouths has the green monster got?
Uh,
How many mouths?
um,
How many?
how many pie?
Mouth. Mouth. Where is our
Uh,
mouth?
this
Not this. Do we use this? The green?
star has one
Huh?
mouth.
We forgot the
Monster
got. The green monster got.
has got one mouth.
Okay, very good. So he or this monster only has got one mouth. So next, let's go with this monster. What color is this monster? What color is this monster?
The monster has got a monster had got
Blue?
blue
What do we call
blue
this? Blue
blue
skin.
skin
Very
blue
good.
skin.
Very good. So now let's answer some question. How many horns has the blue monster got?
Uh, the monster
The blue
the blue monster has got has got two two no,
Yes, very good. That's correct. Two what? Two.
horns.
Very good. Two horns. Next, how many arms? How many arms has the blue monster got?
Uh, the monster blue
The
has
blue
got
monster.
the, the blue monster has got um, has got uh, has got two arms. Two.
Very good. Has got two arms. So next, let's go to our next monster. So what color of a monster is this? What color is the monster?
The color monster has got yellow.
Okay, let's say the color of the monster is yellow. Ilongok. the the zoom ended. Oh no. Okay, let's go back again. So again, what color is this monster? The
The, the color
the
monster
mon
has got yellow.
okay, is yellow. So we will not use here the sentence structure has got. So we will say just simply the color of the monster is yellow. So if we have a question, how many has the or have got? So that is the time that we will use the sentence pattern about has got or have got. Okay? So we will just simply answer it by the color of the monster is yellow. The color of the monster is purple. Okay, so we just only use this sentence pattern if we are asking about how many. Okay?
Uh,
Okay, now let's go back to this yellow monster. So now, Ngok, how many eyes has the yellow monster got? Mhm.
uh, uh,
How many eyes? The yellow,
uh,
how many eyes? The,
the
the
um
yellow,
the yellow monster has got one eye. One
okay, very
eye.
good. One eye or one eyes?
One eye.
Very good. So without S, because we only have one eye. So the yellow monster has got one eye. Very good. Wow. And next, how many how many arms has the yellow monster got? How many arms?
Um, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh, the yellow monster has got, had got, got
Oh,
6 arms. 6
okay.
arms.
Very good. Wow, good job. How about how many feet has the yellow monster got? How many feet? How many feet?
Uh, the yellow monster has got 4 feet.
Okay, very good. Has 4 feet. Wow, good job. So next, let's go to this monster. What color is the monster? What color is the monster?
The monster is purple. Has
Uh,
got purple. Yeah,
okay, so
purple.
eh, okay, we can just answer the monster is purple. So we will not use has got purple because we when we are saying has got or have got, that is how many do they have due to their body parts. But for this one, we are just asking about the color. So next, now let's have the purple monster. So how many eyes has the purple monster got?
The purple monster has got 2 eyes.
Very good. The purple monster has got 2 eyes. How about how many ears has the purple monster got?
Uh,
How many ears? Okay, let me move. How many ears?
yeah. Uh, ear, ear, uh,
Do the purple monster has ears?
The purple monster never ear.
Uh, okay, good try. So we will say this one. If we don't have body parts, so we will say it like this. The purple monster has got no
No
ears.
ear.
Yes, so that's it. So very good. So good idea that you said that the purple monster has never ears or no ears. So that means you understand the purple monster has no ears. Very good. Okay. So next, let's have the next monster. What color is this monster?
This is the monster is called la great.
Okay, very good. Color red. Now let's take a look at the purple monster. How many eyes are the purple? How many eyes has the red monster got?
The uh the
Mm,
the red monster has got got three eyes.
Okay, very good. Three eyes. Next, how many arms? How many arms has the red monster got?
The mon- the red monster has got two arms.
Very good. Two arms. Next, let's go to this monster. What color is this monster?
Mm, the monster is uh orange.
Very
Or
good. Very good. The monster is orange. So now let's answer some questions about this yellow or orange monster. Now, how many eyes? How many eyes has the orange monster got? How many
uh,
eyes?
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh, the orange monster has got 6 eyes.
Very good. Six eyes. Now, how many horns? How many horns has the orange monster got?
Uh, the the orange monster has one horse. Horse
Has only has one? What do we miss? Has.
has uh, got
Okay,
uh
very
has got one horse.
okay. With S or without S?
No, not S.
Not S. Very good, very good. Wow. Next, how many feet? How many feet has the orange monster got? How many feet?
How many feet has the orange monster? 1, 2, 3, 4. The orange monster has got got a five feet.
Okay, very good. Has 5 feet. Wow, good job. So I can see that you truly understand our sentence structure, and also you can be able to create a sentence based on the monsters that we have. So now let's have Oh, let's learn here. Oh, let's answer here some questions. This one. Okay, so again, so we have here have got. Okay, can you see the screen? Okay, so ngok, so we can use have got to talk about our things, family members, and parts of the body. For example, can you read this sentence examples? I have
I I
this one.
I I have got a new phone.
Very good. Next.
He has got a sister.
And next.
They have got brown eyes.
Okay, so again, how we use it? We use have or have got. We use have or have got. This one have or have got for I, you, we, and they. We use has for he, she, and it. For example, I have this one. I have got long hair. I've got long hair. He has got a new computer game. Okay, can you read the last sentence? We have.
We have got a rabbit.
Okay,
Rab-
so
We
we can shorten it as
we've 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 uh
got.
we got a rabbit.
Okay, very good. So that is how we use. So if we have negative answer, we will use not after have or as or has. For example, can you read our sentence pattern here?
Uh, uh, they
Have,
they have not got a dog. They
ne,
have
they have it.
they they haven't got a dog.
Okay, very good. So that is next. So for questions about us, so have you got a skateboard? So we will answer. If our answer is yes, we will say, what do we say?
Yes, we
Yes.
have.
Yes, I have. If our answer is no, we will say no.
No, I haven't. Have
Very good. Very good. So no. So if we have this subject, has she got any pets? If the answer is no, we will say no,
no, she has
hasn't. Let's say hasn't.
hasn't.
Okay, if our answer is yes, we will say yes.
Yes, she has.
Okay, very good. So now let's practice these sentence patterns that we have here. So can you please read the sentence? This one.
I has got a cat.
Are you sure? Has. What's your answer? Has.
Uh, I got a
Hmm?
cat into the.
What do we say earlier? So we will use have got
I have got.
for I, you, we, and they. So we have here, what is our subject? It's
I
I. Very good. So what shall we use? I have got or I has got?
I have got.
Okay, very good. So we will use I have got. Next. Next one is, how about this one? Our subjects is she. So if
She
we have subject she, what shall we use?
has got an eraser.
Okay, very good. So next, okay, our subject is he. He.
He
What shall we use? Have got or has got?
uh, has got
Has got, yes. And if we have a negative, we will have this one or this one? A or
uh
C?
a
Okay, very good. So hasn't. So we will just add NT or has not got. So that is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Okay, so we have here they. They.
they
What shall we use? We have a negative. We will add not.
they
They
have
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 not.
got C.
Letter C. Very good. Next. Okay, our subject is we. We.
We
No, we have we. Is
we
what is our short version for have?
we
A, B, or C?
a
Very good. So again, if we have shorter version of have, we use it like this. I've got, ha, we've got, they've got. Okay, very good. Wow. Next number. What is the right for this one? Has she a computer? Has she got a computer? Has got she a computer?
have
A,
got
hmm?
have got she.
Are you sure? If
Yes.
we make it an answer question. So
Uh,
if we make something a question, we will have first have or has, then the subject, and we'll have got. So what is the correct answer? B or C?
B.
Okay, very good. So again, we will first have has or have, subject, I, you, we, they, she, he or he, and got. Okay. And next, we have I. What shall we use? A, B, or C? A, B, or C? So again, shorter version of have.
C.
Okay, very good. I've got some chocolate. And next, have they got a garden? They have got a garden. Or has they? So since we have they, what shall we use? Have or has? Letter A or letter C? Letter A or C? A, B, or
A.
C? A, very
A.
good. So again, we will start with have and our subject, they got a garden. Wow, very good. Wow, perfect score. So good job, Ngok. I can see that you understand all of our sentence patterns. So very good. So now I think it's at the end of our time, Ngok. Thank you very much for your time today and see you again soon. You can now rest. Good night, Ngok, and bye bye.